Hello everyone, I'm KD Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today I want to show you how to prepare a pan-fried tofu dish. The tofu is coated with the sauce that we use to make General Tso chicken. And therefore I'll term this as a General Tso tofu dish. And this is a typical example to show that many times we don't need meat to create something that is very flavorful. Let me show you how to prepare this General Tso tofu dish. Cut the firm tofu into 1-inch square. Prepare the marinade that consists of 5 spice powder, ginger, garlic, light soy sauce, and water. Sugar, gently mix the marinade with the tofu and then keep aside for 1 hour. Coat the tofu with cornstarch. And then pan-fry until golden brown. Have a rough chop of some garlic, ginger, scallion, To make the General Tso sauce, combine the following: dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, some wine, vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, and water. Sauté the aromatics in the pan. Add the General sauce into it and quickly bring it to a boil. Add the tofu and gently mix with the sauce. Now it's ready. Garnish with some chopped chili and scallion and serve. After I show you how to prepare my favorite pan-fried tofu with General Tso sauce. If you like this video, please download the recipe that I have put it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. And I'll see you again in some other videos in this channel. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.